आपको मैंने अलाउ थोड़ी किया था। नो, माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब मत दीजिए, सदन खुद ही चला रहे हैं क्या? श्री मनीष तिवारी जी।
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, sir. Mr. Chairperson, sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, in the January of 2020, when the Standing Committee of Finance had visited the National Stock Exchange and the other trading platforms, we were informed that these trading platforms are regularly subject to cyber attacks, which are warded off. My question to the Minister is that since thousands of crores of transactions take place every day on these electronic platforms, and in the October of 2020, we saw as to how the power grid in Mumbai was targeted by a cyber attack. Would the Minister like to inform the House that whether these trading platforms have been classified as critical infrastructure from the point of view of the cyber domain, and what steps the government has initiated in order to harden the defenses of these trading platforms?
मंत्री जी।
Sir, the honourable member has raised a very important issue which relates to the cyber security of most of our critical infrastructure, which takes care of banking and other payment related matters. I'm glad to know, I have also heard it earlier, that the standing committee and the honourable member has gone and visited these places. So I have also subsequently gone, even after the lockdown of COVID was lifted, to ensure that the mechanisms for safeguarding the digital network of the stock markets, digital network of the related activities are all protected so that hacking or any kind of interruptions don't take place. I can assure that member that many steps have been taken by all the concerned institutions. There are very many checks and balances and plan Bs which are in place, as a result of which I feel that there are measures being taken timely. They are also being taken by institutions with periodic trial and error kind of a method. Checking up is happening. I am assured by the SEBI, NSE and also the BSE that they are taking all kinds of precautions. The platforms are declared for the particular question that the Honourable Member Manish Tiwari raised. The NSE and the BSE platforms are declared critical infrastructure. So every time there is a periodic review, and anything that has to be strengthened to make sure that their setup is digitally safeguarded is happening.
मेरा अनुरोध है ऑनरेबल मेंबर से, प्लीज आपकी बात आपके नेता रख चुके हैं, 2 बार रख चुके हैं, प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। प्रश्नकाल चल रहा है, आप अपनी सीट पर जाकर के बैठिए प्लीज। श्री रितेश पांडे।
गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से हम लोग स्टेटमेंट मांग रहे हैं। चेयरमैन साहब,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय अधिष्ठाता महोदय। मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि LIC के जो ऑपरेशंस हैं वो करोड़ों लोगों के वेलफेयर से जुड़े हुए मुद्दे हैं। LIC का जो ऑपरेशन होता है, और ये जग विदित है कि मात्र 2% लोग जो है हमारे देश में शेयर मार्केट को एक्सेस करते हैं। तो मेरा प्रश्न माननीय मंत्री जी से ये है कि LIC का जो IPO निकल रहा है, उसके निकलने के बाद LIC का जो IPO निकल रहा है, उसके निकलने के बाद जो LIC से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, जिनका वेलफेयर उससे जुड़ा हुआ है, सरकार उसको वो सुचारू रूप से चल सके कैसे सुनिश्चित करेगी? जब IPO निकल जाएगा और वो प्राइवेट सेक्टर के हाथों में चली जाएगी, तो कैसे सरकार इन करोड़ों लोगों के वेलफेयर जो उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं उससे जुड़ा हुआ है, तो ये कैसे उसको सुनिश्चित करेगी सरकार?
Sir, this question is certainly on the IPO, and therefore, in a way, honourable members brought in a larger issue which pertains to the IPO of a proposed IPO of the LIC. The honorable members fairly aware that IPO is only to a limited extent that you are giving a certain percentage of the shares as an initial public offer.
Affect the operations of LIC? Because once private players are involved in it, how will the government assure the crores of Indians that sort of use it for their own welfare, which LIC gives up? Thank you.
आपको मैंने अलाउ थोड़ी किया था। नो, माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब मत दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 103, सौमित्र खान। सदन खुद ही चला रहे हैं क्या?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 103।
आप, ये काम मेरा है, आप लोगों का नहीं आपस में।
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 103।